What's up guys, today I'm gonna be doing an install video on a dash cam on the Camry. I'm gonna put the link down below for the unboxing of the camera knob. I'm gonna do the straight through installation step by step so you guys can follow through. The dash cam, I mounted it up here and it's a suction cup, so it works awesome. And then this part right here is magnetic, so it connects magnetically to the post. But find where you're gonna post it, mount it, and then we'll go on to the next step. Make sure you have a micro SD memory card to be able to put into the dash cam. I'm gonna show you exactly where you're supposed to put it in. This is the memory card. You open a little flap right here, has a little area, and you put it in here. And let me see, right here. It should click in. There you go. And that's how you put it in. Make sure it clicks in. That's how you put the memory card in. Alright, so this is the Hardwire kit that I actually bought to use with the dash cam, and I'll show you more or less how to put it together to be able to wire it up. So basically you'll start off by pushing these together until it clips. You bring up the protective wiring over it. Should be like this. Make sure you match your fuse to your fuse box. Make sure it connects really good. They bring, where is it? It brings a bunch of different ones just in case, but you should use this one. Well, I'm gonna use this one because it matches mine. Okay, so what I did, I ran the wires up here to a little connection, and the one for the front, I run it up here all along the headliner, and I'm gonna drop it back here. So behind the pillar, I'm gonna make it drop all the way here, make it run down this way into here, so it comes out down there from the fuse. I'll show you once it's put in. Okay, so it actually brings a 5-amp fuse. I would take that off and upgrade it to a 15. I'll put 215 amp here. Just more power. Better safe than sorry. And now it's ready to be put in. And you connect it to the first spot that's empty. That should be constant power low amp, I believe. So once you connect the fuse tap there, I went around and connected the ground right here in this bolt. Loosen it up a little bit and mount it up. And as of right now, it's on, so it's working. Car's not on, so the hardwired worked. Now we're gonna do is just clean up all this wiring, make it nice and tidy here, and we should be done. So when you run the rear wire, the rear camera, the wire, you'll run it again the same way you did the other side. Run it behind. Actually, popped out a little bit right there. So you run it right behind the headliner right there, and it goes to the pillar. Make sure when you go to the pillar, put this on this side, you go right behind all the wires. Let it focus. So just in case This airbag does pop. It doesn't blow the wiring, cause more unnecessary damage, and that way is out of any way of any other functions of the car. So what we're gonna do now is, once you pass it over to this side, you're gonna start running it around all along the headliner right here, all the way to the back. You gotta run it all the way to the back. So basically, all along the headliner, and you're gonna curve right there till you get to the back side. That way is clean installation. I'm gonna do a little time lapse now with me putting the wiring. Basically, you're gonna run the wire along there into the center pillar cover, and then pass it around this side, and you're gonna run it on this. When it reaches here, you're gonna cut it that way, and you're gonna go over the edge of the headliner on the back, all the way to where you're gonna place the camera. Okay, so basically, again, you run it from the front all along here, pull back this cover that's right here on the edge, and then run it through here. What I'm gonna do here is tie them up, the excess wiring, and hide it right there behind this behind this cover, and then run the wire that's gonna meet up right here in the center with the camera, and that should be it. Once you run the wire, you run it behind this, pass it through here, it should look something like this. Wire is heading onto the end that has to connect to the camera, and it's pointing outwards and center, more or less. But it's perfect. All right, guys, so that's it for the dash cam install video. It came out really nice. I'm happy with it. I don't see no wires all along the car, and it works hardwired. So basically, it has park mode. When I'm not in the car's not turned on, it's still recording a loop. It has a G sensitivity, so if it's hit, it'll start recording emergency backup into the memory card, and I could view it later on. But overall, I really like how it came out. Only two wires are showing are there, but I go straight into the headliner, and it's all very clean along the whole car. So I'm really happy with that. And I'll show you a little interface of how it looks, the app. It's really cool. I'll set the link down below. Like I said, I'll set the link down below so you guys could get this dash cam. I really recommend it. It's really nice, it's really good, it's very flush. It doesn't it's not too big, so it doesn't disturb the car or the view. And like you saw, it was very simple install. I'm really happy with it. But I'll put a few minutes, a few seconds at the end, a clip of the front and rear camera, and it looks really good. And thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I hope this helps somebody make a decision on a dash cam. And please like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this, you know, and comment down below what we'd like to see in the future. It'll really help us out on making new content for the channel. And again, once again, thank you guys, because you guys are huge help and you know, big support to our channel. Thank you.